Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing so well by the grace of Almighty God. So today I will be showing you different ways you can use castor oil for your hair growth and to keep your hair moisturized and also help to seal in moisture and all that good stuff. So for the first thing that we are going to do is to use it as a hot oil treatment. So you can use any castor oil that you have. Anyone will be good for this treatment. So now I'm going to put my castor oil inside hot water. So I'm going to allow it to heat up a little bit, then I will move over to apply it to my hair. So now it's time for me to apply this to my hair. So guys, this is my twist out for the one that I use Indian hair, 100% Indian hair grease. If you have not seen that video, just go and check it out. Okay, so this is how my hair is looking like after a week of that twist out. So now I'm just going to go um, um I'm going to apply that hot oil treatment on my hair, that which is castor oil on my hair. So I'm going to be applying it direct to my scalp and my entire hair. So if you feel that the oil is too heavy for you, you can mix it with olive oil or coconut oil. So I just want to use it just like that, the way I normally use it, just like that. There's no need for me to add any oil to it as a pre-poo treatment. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to section my hair, then I will apply the castor oil to my scalp and also my entire hair. So to my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming. I really appreciate you guys. And to my new subscriber, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys too. Thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. So if you are here for the first time, you are seeing my video on YouTube for the first time, and you decided to come and watch me. So if you like this video, give me thumbs up, subscribe, and also remember to turn on your post notification so that you will not miss out of any of my new video. I do like DIY hair treatment, like how to care for your hair, to make your hair to grow, how to how to grow your hair with grease, and DIY treatment, and even stud butt treatment and all that. Everything about hair, even DIY crochet, guys. So anything about hair is what is happening on this channel. So if you like that, just click the subscribe button and also turn on your post notification in case any video come up, so you will be the first to know. So after applying to my scalp, and before I apply it to the ends of my hair, I'm going to add some just little water to kind of keep my hair damp a little bit. So before I apply it to the end of my hair, then when I'm done, I'm going to just twist my hair and then move over to the next step. So many people use castor oil as a sealing oil, so you can also use it as a pre-poo because it helps to stimulate hair growth. It helps to increase blood circulation in the scalp, which is going to help for your hair to grow so healthy and beautiful. So I'm just going to continue to apply that to my hair, and then we move to the next step. So now I'm done applying the castor oil to my hair as a hot oil treatment or pre-pore treatment. So now I'm just going to cover my hair and allow it to work on my hair. So I will just allow it to stay on my hair for 30 minutes. Then after 30 minutes I will be back to wash my hair. So guys, that's 30 minutes later now. So this is how my hair is looking like. As you can see, my hair feels soft so soft already. So I'm just going to unravel this twist, then I will wash my hair with a shampoo, then I will come back for the next step. So you can see how my hair is so full, beautiful and strong. Okay guys, this is the next step now. This is my shea butter super fruit complex 10 in 1 deep conditioner. Guys, I don't see that way. So 10 in 1 deep conditioner. So I'm going to scoop out some deep conditioner out of the container and put it inside that my little container. So to then after transferring it to that container, I'm going to add my castor oil. So any castor oil that you have can go with this treatment. So I'm going to add some castor oil to the hair mask from Shea Moisture. So after adding the castor oil, I'm going to just give it a mix. I'm going to mix the castor oil and the hair mask together very well. So just like so guys, if not enough, if depends on your hair, the volume of your hair. If you want cut is not enough, I'm going to add more to it and also add extra castor oil. I'm done with castor oil. My castor oil is finished. Oh my goodness, I need more oil. So I'm just going to mix it again. Mix. I'm going to mix everything together again. So guys, I'm going to mix everything together, both the castor oil, so that everything can be well mixed together. Now I'm just going to place it inside my hot water, not oil. So inside that hot water to allow the deep conditioner to heat up a little bit. Like if you want to take your deep conditioner routine to another level, just try to heat it up a little bit, because it's going to make your hair look soft and smooth. It's going to take your deep conditioner routine to another level. Your hair is going to stay soft, smooth and so moisturized with the help of the heat, and also the help of castor oil is going to help to retain length and also leave your hair so good. So if you want to do this, don't put your deep conditioner inside the microwave. Use hot water just the way you see me doing it. Okay, don't put it inside microwave. Use hot water. That is the best way to heat up your deep conditioner and any oil of your choice, and castor oil. So now it's time for me to apply that to my hair, and it's also going to make your deep conditioner stick to your hair, like going to absorb into your hair very well. It's going to penetrate your hair very well because of the hotness. So adding castor oil to your deep conditioner is going to make your hair so strong. Good to make your hair so strong, and it's also going to strengthen and thicken your strands. So using as a conditioner, using it inside your conditioner is going to help to condition your hair and also make your hair feel so shiny, and also help to encourage hair growth. So after applying it to my hair, I'm going to use my comb to comb through my hair, so to distribute the product through my hair. Then I will twist out that section. So guys, heating up your deep conditioner is the best thing you can do for your hair in this winter, because our hair seems to dry a lot, even our scalp. So if you really want to take your deep conditioner routine to another level, to make your hair soft, moisturize, and every other thing, just add castor oil and just heat it up, and you are going to love your hair. So I just make my hair is kind of dry now, that's why I'm adding water to it, because the conditioner that I'm using is a little bit thick. So guys, after 1 hour now, I've already rinsed out the conditioner, the deep conditioner, out of my hair. So this is how my hair is looking like. So my hair feels so soft, like so moisturized, so shiny guys. The coils are forming already. So I love this treatment so much. Castor oil as a pre-pro, castor oil inside your deep conditioner, and also warm it up. It's going to take your hair to another level. So if you have tried this mode before, just comment at the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching. Share my video to your friends and family. So if you want to use more castor oil on your hair. You can use it as a sealing oil after moisturizing, adding leave-in. Just use it to seal up your hair. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my